disconnect replaced some time ago, and it needs to be sealed in properly. A couple different ways. You can use spray foam, or what I've got is an acrylomeric caulking, which I'm quickly running out of. I need to go get some more, but I was doing some maintenance and noticed that this has not been sealed in, so definitely want to get this all sealed in and have it divert the water. The acrylomeric caulking is going to be a great way to do it, and then just cut in the paint over it to preserve it. So, just using up what I got left here, which is not much, but I got the top portion. Do this all nice and neat, and it'll be even neater once we cut in the paint over it. But yeah, again, can use spray foam, or this stuff can cut this out a bit more here, but fill it all in, make it nicer, and make it more waterproof so that it can shed water. Yeah. Okay, got a few different types of acrylomeric or elastomeric sealants here. These are all a good product, very good product, have good effects with them. Good stuff. Made with Kevlar, DuPont Kevlar. And just in case you didn't know what Kevlar was, it's what they make bulletproof vests out of, Kevlar. I'll try to put a link to products in the description below. Alright, we got my next tube of elastomeric caulking, acrylomeric caulking. What I'm going to do is clean this up a bit so that I'm not wasting everything. Oops. Hold that off there so we get a nice even, spot. Oop. Well, that'll make that a little easier. This one, I like it to be a little bit overlapped, so that'll be fine. Kind of help keep stuff in there. Clean up this side as well. That'll work good. Yeah, that's gonna do. Got enough area for adhesion. That's gonna be good. Okay. And now my caulking tube is a little on the weak side, so I'm gonna cut it off. Normally, with the caulking gun, this one, it's on its last leg. You can see the handles been squished. But normally with the caulking gun, you'd have this spot here where there's a knife, and you could stick it in here. But the knife is dull and the caulking gun is weak. So cut this off. I've got a 1/4 inch, a tiny bit more. And go ahead and take the poker, give it a few spots to poke it, make it easier to use. Put our deal in here. Go ahead and push it in and pull the trigger. This one's been in my shop for a little while, so that it looks like it's in good shape. Alright. Got a piece of cardboard cut to make spreading easier. But anyway, I'm going to fill this all in. Again, my caulking gun not in the best shape, but it's enough to get the job done. And we can come back and paint over this, the elastomeric paint or another paint. Oops, I made a little mess. Anyway, just a little building maintenance improvement. Make this better. Alright. Now we won't have any water intrusion issues there. And I'll go around the other side, get the other side. Tight quarters. There we go. All sealed in better. Alright. And now a little feed on the bottom. More just so no bugs go in there. Alright, we'll go back around on the other side. Get that up. And that'll do it. Make that better. Side back on. Alright. As I'm editing the video, I can see from a better angle a couple spots I need to go back and fill in better when I go back to paint it. Alright, done deal. We'll come back and paint it and that'll be that. But at least it's nice and now it's watertight and sealed and it can do its thing. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.